Today we wanted to give you guys a tour of our son's new bedroom. This bedroom renovation started many months ago. Welcome back to the home remodel. Today we're moving on to a new project, the living room slash third bedroom. There used to be a third bedroom in this house, but somebody took down the wall that was right back here and opened up the living room. We're going to be putting that wall back up so we can have a third bedroom for our son, and that's the main focus of this project. Ready, Ashley?
Yeah.
So here we are standing in his finished room. It came out really good. We're happy, even though it took way longer than it was supposed to because we had a lot of delays along the way. But here's the room. We tried making the focus of his room to be like the playroom. So we wanted to maintain a lot of space and a good cozy spot to play with a lot of toy storage. So we built him this shelf to hold all the toys, and that's working out really good. If you guys have been following us, you'll know that I was looking for extra totes, and I did find matching totes with the red lids. These are actually holiday totes, but the red lids look really cool in a kid's room. He's got all of his little fun toys on the top, his little toys organized. This makes it really easy for him to keep the room clean. Belle also likes to play in here, so all their toys are kind of mixed together.
And we have this nice large area for them to just play with their Legos and everything on here. And this is a wool rug that we picked up, and I really like the blue of this.
The blue actually plays off the floor really well. We really love this high contrast laminate flooring. In our master bedroom, we did a denim rug with the blue and it looked good, so I knew this blue would fit.
So his bed is on a wooden bed frame that Doug made, and we actually have a video on that. And we picked up this wool alpaca blanket for him, and this was a custom quilt that somebody made for us, and that looks really good on there.
So it's a one-of-a-kind special quilt for him. We each got one.
Yeah.
And this is his first time having a big boy bed. I guess we should say this room is for him. This is our son Maverick, and this is his first bedroom. His first bedroom, his first big boy bed, and it's been really cool. He's been sleeping in here, he loves it, playing in here, and it's been so much easier for all of us. So it's been really cool. His closet is a simple open closet. We like these without doors just because we feel like doors get in the way and they're not necessary. We built a closet organizer out of one of these wire shelves, put a hanger bar on it. We do have a video of that if you want to check it out. Now he doesn't have hanging clothes yet because he's a baby, you know, he's a toddler. So we picked up these baskets, and these are actually pretty durable, just plastic baskets. And we can put all of his clothes in there. We got shirts and sweaters and pants. And then up here we got socks, undies, and all that kind of stuff. So these are going to work really well for him now and in the future. We actually have some more totes that we want to stick up here, but we just don't have them in here yet. This room, you can tell, is a little bit bare bones because it's still a work in progress. We're going to let him and us like grow into this room. And so we just don't have the totes in there because we're using them for other things right now. We don't have anything on the walls because we just like a nice, clean, simple house. And we haven't found anything worth putting on the walls yet. We don't want to just go with like vinyl clings or posters or just any kind of thing like that. We like things that are... So we haven't found anything that feels right yet. We got a simple convection wall heater. All of the heat in the house is electric heat. This works really good. It's been really nice in here. We tried to keep a lot of natural toned wood in the room. We got our 4x4 posts wrapping the closet, and that's a theme that we've carried on through the other bedrooms, just to define the area and break up that white. The trim is all natural pine that we made ourselves and shellacked. Really matches well with the shelving, the bed, everything kind of blends together. So unbelievably, we were able to create this space from nothing. As you guys saw in those clips, there was literally no bedroom here. It was just one big living room. And that was something that was actually to our benefit because when we bought the home, we bought it as a 2-bedroom home, which gets priced a little lower than a 3-bedroom home, but we saw the potential for the 3rd bedroom because we knew it was supposed to be there.
Yeah. Somebody took the wall out at some point.
So by building a new wall, separating the room, creating a closet, we have another bedroom, easy, and it worked out really well for us. So I don't think there's too much more to cover in the room. It's a pretty simple kids room. We're happy with how it came out, and it's so cool to have it together. This is actually the most finished room that we have in our house because it's the only room with window trim. So
yeah.
We feel good about that at least. So you might notice in our home that we have a lot of white and a lot of wood, and that's kind of the theme we're going for. Kind of pulling inspiration from some Scandinavian design, modern, just
clean, bright, fresh, basic.
Simple. We really like it being clean and simple. It helps us just feel good. We like that feel. Well, I guess that wraps up the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you want to go back and see anything in more detail, be sure to check out our past videos where we showed building the shelf, building the bed, putting all this together. And if you enjoy those videos, consider subscribing because we have a lot more videos coming. We're actually going to be starting a kitchen and living room remodel, the 2 rooms that we have left to do in the house.
And we also have some outside work to do when spring comes.
Yep. So that's all coming. We're working on it a little at a time, doing the best we can with what we have. And I think it's been coming out good.
Yeah.
Really love this room. It's our favorite. I think, well, we love all the rooms. They're all coming out good.
Yeah.
So again, we really appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to leave a comment below. Say hi. Let us know what you think of the room. And until next time, take care.
Bye.